Hey there, pilots and tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a game-changing tool for public safety UAS operations. Meet ATAK, the Android Team Awareness Kit, your next-level companion for every mission. Managing airspace, keeping an eye on your drone's video feed, all while staying in sync with your team. It sounds like a lot, but with ATAK, it's all in a day's work. Let's talk airspace awareness. ATAK allows you to bring in ADS-B and remote ID data, offering a live look at the skies around your drone. It's essential for avoiding conflicts and ensuring your flights are safe and sound. Now, onto the visuals. ATAK lets you stream live KLV embedded video from your drone straight to your team. This feature is a game changer for real-time coordination, especially during search and rescue missions. Your ground team sees exactly what the drone operator can see, enabling immediate action and strategic decision-making. And here's where ATAK truly shines. With the available augmented reality mode, the drone operator can direct the camera to survey an area. ATAK then overlays real-time data right on the operator's screen. Whether it's locating team members or identifying points of interest, you get a comprehensive view of the mission area, enhancing situational awareness like never before. Setting up these powerful tools might seem daunting, but don't worry. We've got you covered with our 2-day crash course titled ATAK for UAS Operations. We'll walk you through the basics, show you how to integrate relevant data, and teach you how to connect your UAS to share vital intelligence with your team. Imagine mastering ATAK and revolutionizing your UAS missions. Our course is designed to get you there, equipping you with the knowledge to leverage ATAK's full potential. Whether you're aiding in search and rescue efforts or coordinating complex missions, we'll ensure you're ready for any challenge. Are you ready to elevate your UAS operations with ATAK integration? Visit our website and sign up for our comprehensive 2-day course. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enhance your skills and transform your approach to drone operations. We're excited to help you soar to new heights with ATAK.